Hello guys, Professor Twinkie here. Today we're going to show you a behind the scenes look into what goes on in a shoot on Pio'splaylab.
It's Pio'splaylab!
Welcome to Pio'splaylab, where we play, learn and grow. A lot of you have been asking us, what's it like working with the good Dr. Pio? Today we show you exactly just that.
Here we have the good doctor warming up for his next take.
Hi, your hands. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, look! Oh, what?
No,
Hi, guys! I'm all set! Let's find fossils! I'm all set! Let's show
And here on the right, you may notice Bodhi, the intern, who is helping the good doctor rehearse.
Hey guys, I'm all set! Let's find fossils!
Very good.
And here they are again at the exterior of the studio.
Hey guys,
Yeah, very good. Good on.
we're gonna find the Triceratops today.
Hope you're not saying Triceratops.
Hi guys, we're gonna find the Triceratops today.
Now it's time for the question of the day. What is your favorite dinosaur? Let us know in the comments below.
For the voiceovers, we simply remind the good doctor of his lines.
Dinosaurs was the king of all the dinosaurs.
The Tyrannosaurus is the king of all the dinosaurs.
And this is how we animate the toys. We simply remove the animator's hands, and here's the final product.
Oh, we do hope you enjoyed watching this episode of Pio'splaylab. If you liked our content, please consider subscribing. It really helps us create more videos just like this. Thank you for your time. Goodbye, paleontologists.